In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage scheduled tasks in ChatGPT. To get started, open ChatGPT and first check whether the tasks feature is available on your account. This is important because not every account or model setup may show the same tools right away. Once you're inside ChatGPT, take a moment to look around the interface and confirm that tasks appears as an available feature. If you see it, you're ready to move on. Next, choose the model or mode that supports scheduled tasks. This step matters because task scheduling only works in the versions of ChatGPT that are designed to handle reminders and recurring actions. If you're switching between different models, make sure you select the one that clearly supports this feature before you try to create anything. Doing this now will help avoid confusion later if your request doesn't seem to work. After that, tell ChatGPT what task or reminder you want to create. Be as clear and direct as possible, so the reminder is easy to understand when you review it later. For example, you'll want to describe exactly what you need ChatGPT to remind you about, whether it's a one-time task or something you want to stay on top of regularly. Clear wording makes your reminders more useful and easier to manage over time. Once you've described the task, include the exact time, date, or repeat schedule. This is one of the most important parts of the setup. If you want the reminder only once, give a specific date and time. If you want it to repeat, make that schedule clear as well, such as daily, weekly, or on a custom routine. The more precise you are here, the better ChatGPT can schedule it correctly. When ChatGPT asks for confirmation, go ahead and confirm the task. This final check gives you a chance to make sure the reminder details are accurate before it's saved. If anything looks off, this is the best moment to correct it. After the task has been created, open the tasks page to review your saved reminders. This is where you can see what you've already scheduled and make sure everything looks the way you intended. It's a good habit to review this page so you stay organized and avoid duplicate reminders. If you need to make changes, you can edit or delete tasks as needed. That gives you flexibility if plans change or if a reminder is no longer useful. And that's it. That's how to create, review, and manage scheduled tasks in ChatGPT.